वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतलीं, सावूद आनी भलायकेन. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाव टू मेक Ridgid Gourd, that is Ghosalyachi Fullachi Bhaji. So this is like every day I was collecting flowers of Ghosali flowers. When you have a plant at home, I don't know whether in market it's available, but every day the plant gives you flowers. Like it falls off, then you bring it, wash it nicely and store it, because every day like 10 flowers of like this. And it's delicious. I have tried it and now I am come up with y'all, and this is zero oil recipe, without oil. So what we need is Ridgid Gourd flour. So this is like quarter kg you can say, or it's loads of flowers if I count. So how much also you have, you can try this recipe. So you need Ridgid Gourd flour. तर आमकां घोसाळ्याची फुलां जी खाला पडटा झाडांतली ती एकठांय करून दवरपाची, धुवपाची आनी एका डब्यान घालून दवरपाची, आनी जेन्ना क्वॉन्टिटी सुबेज जाता तेन्ना ही करपाक बरी. सो ही जावन आसा इतली फुलां. देन वी नीड अरावंड 5 tablespoons of coconut, grated coconut, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, few peanuts and 1 green chili. So this is all. This was just grown, so I will put this. Okay, then little bit of asafoetida and turmeric. That's it. This is all what is going on without oil. So first thing, we will add our cumin seeds, half teaspoon, and half teaspoon of mustard seeds. So once this gets splitter, that time we will add our see, this is without oil also. I have many recipes without oil, so you can check that. And now we will add our onion and tomato and fry this nicely. On low flame. And peanuts you have to crush. Okay, so crush this. So we will add salt and asafoetida. So asafoetida, a pinch of asafoetida for this, and salt, so it will release some water. So 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of asafoetida, and fry like this only till the onion and tomatoes are soft. I will add our chilies and peanuts. and chilies. So fry this nicely. So this is nicely fried. Okay, now see, all is without oil. You don't need oil for certain vegetable. Yes, you can, but if anybody doesn't want oil, then here it is. And now we will add our flowers. So squeeze the water and leave it. Leave it inside the leaves. And mix this nicely. Fry this little while. Now we will add a pinch of turmeric powder to this. Coconut and our vegetable is done. So pinch of turmeric powder. And this is done. Mix this, check the salt, what we have added earlier. Spiciness, the chilies are spicy. And now we will add a coconut to this. Quick and easy recipe. So we'll add a So hope you all will enjoy this recipe. Try this and make it in your kitchen. So I will cook this for 5 minutes with covered lid. So covered it just for 5 minutes. And here is our ready vegetable. Zero oil, no oil. Ridgid Gourd flour, that is Ghosalyachi Fullachi Bhaji. आमची Goan Ghosalyachi Bhaji, Fullachi Bhaji. Yummy and delicious. Try this recipe and enjoy. So if you want less spicy, add no chilies or add less chili. Remove the seeds. Done. I'll put off the gas and are ready. Veg is ready. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां हें सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी तेला बगर आमची भाजी जावन आसा तयार. Thank you. देव बरें करूं.
Here it is, the lovely Goan Ridgid Gourd flowers bhaji. This is a zero oil recipe. Goan Ghosalyachi Fullachi Bhaji. Try it at home. Enjoy. Lots of flowers today. Mostly in the night, they all flower up. Here's the baby Ghosalya growing well. Other one coming up here.